In a world of laughter, in a land of fun, there's a group of friends, second to none. They call themselves the Chicken Squad. A bond so tight, with Payton, John, Marshall, and Madden inside. All the Chicken Squad, together they stand, hand in hand, across the land. With unity and joy, their hearts beat as one. Oh, the Chicken Squad under the sun. Under the sun, under the sun. With games and laughter, they fill each day. In their own special way, they find their way. Chicken Squad, night party, the favorite delight. Friendship blossom shining so bright. All the Chicken Squad, together they stand, hand in hand, across the land. With unity and joy, their hearts beat as one. Oh, the Chicken Squad under the sun. No fight can tear them apart, no storm can sway. For in each other's company, they'll always stay. Through thick and thin,